Hi guys, welcome to my session. Let's discuss this 2020 questions. See, we know that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, right? Sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, so if I use this logic, guys, this L is equal to sin square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Again, sin square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos 2 into theta divided by 2. Okay, so L is equal to 1 minus cos pi by 8, okay, upon 2, and then this is 1 minus, this will cancel 4 times, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole divided by 2. Okay, so this can be written as L is equal to, okay, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into cos pi by 8. Okay, minus 1 by 2, minus and minus is plus, 1 divided by 2 root 2. Anyways, this will cancel. You will get this as 1 divided by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 into cos pi by 8. This is the value of L. So this means that this is ruled out. This is ruled out. Alright, because I'm getting L is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 cos pi by 8. Answer B, options B and D are ruled out. Okay, let me check M. M is equal to, according to the question, M is equal to cos square pi by 16. Cos square pi by 16 minus sin square pi by 8. Okay, again I'll use the formula. Cos square theta will be equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Okay, and then sin square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. So cos square will be equal to 1 plus cos 2 into theta, okay, divided by 2, and sin square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta and divided by 2. So M is equal to, this is 1 plus cos pi by 8, okay, upon 2 minus of 1 minus cos pi by 4, okay, upon 2. So M is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos pi by 8, okay, minus 1 upon 2, minus and minus is plus, 1 upon 2 cos pi by 4. So this will cancel. Okay, you get a half of, this is cos pi by 8 plus 1 upon 2, cos 45 will be equal to 1 by root 2. Right, that's the answer, guys. You will get this as 1 divided by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 cos pi by 8. Answer is option A. Right, let's move to the next question. Okay, again this is 2020 question. So this will be equal to root of, it's given in the question alpha beta lies in the first quadrant, so obviously all are positive. Root of root 2 into sin alpha upon root of 1 plus cos 2 alpha is 2 cos square alpha is equal to 1 upon 7. So root 2 into sin alpha, root 2 root of cos square alpha is cos alpha is equal to 1 upon 7. Root 2 will get cancelled. So tan alpha is equal to 1 by 7. Okay, let me keep this as it is. Similarly, if I simplify, whole root of 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square, 1 minus cos 2 beta is 2 sin square beta upon 2 is equal to 1 upon root 10. Okay, so this will cancel. Root of sin square beta is sin beta, okay, that's equal to 1 by root 10. Okay, now tan of a plus b, I'm supposed to find out what is tan of alpha plus 2 beta. Tan of a plus b will be equal to tan a plus tan b. Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus, okay, tan a into tan b. So I know the value of tan alpha, right? I don't know what is the value of tan 2 beta. So I'll take a triangle here, fix the angle as beta, sine is opposite by hypotenuse, okay, base will be 3 if I use Pythagoras theorem. From this I get tan 2 theta will be equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, so this will be equal to 2 into tan is opposite by base, that is 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 the whole square. Okay, tan is opposite by adjacent only, 1 upon 3 only. So this is 2 upon 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 9. So this is 2 by 3 divided by 9 goes to numerator, this is 8, this will cancel 3 times. Okay, so this is 3 by 4. Now I'll substitute the value. So I know the value of, okay, now I know the value of tan alpha, I know the value of tan alpha, I know the value of tan 2 beta. So tan alpha is 1 upon 7. Okay, this is 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 1 by 7 and 3 by 4. Okay, so this equal to, take LCM 28, it will get cancelled, you get 4 plus 21. Okay, again 7 fours 28 minus 3, 25 upon 25 is 1. Okay, answer will be equal to plus 1. Alright, let's move to the next question, guys. Okay, again integer type question, fill in the blanks. How many solutions are there? Number of distinct solutions in the interval, close interval 0 and 2 pi. I shift on the left side. Okay, so this is log to the base, log of modulus of sin x to the base half. Okay, plus this is equal to log of modulus of cos x to the base half. Okay, is equal to 2. Log m plus log n is log m into n. Log to the base of, you get this as sin x into cos x is equal to 2. Okay, now if I suppose I have like this, and let me write here, when you have suppose log x to the base a is equal to m, you can write x is equal to a power m. Okay, log of mod of sin x cos x to the base half should be written as modulus of sin x cos x is equal to 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so this is modulus of sin x into cos x, okay, is equal to 1 upon 4. I can write this as 2 sin x into cos x, okay, is equal to 1 by 2. I just cross multiply 1 2 and 4 1 2 I'll keep as it is, another 2 I cross multiply. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So the modulus of sin 2x is equal to half. Right, now follow carefully. Suppose you have sin x, y is equal to sin x. Okay, this is the graph of y is equal to sin x, right? Y equal to sin x, you get sine of multiple of pi 0. Okay, this will be sin 0 0, sin pi will be 0, sin 2 pi will be 0, sin 3 pi will be 0. So maximum value will be 1, minimum value will be minus 1. Okay, maximum is 1, minimum is minus 1. So you get a sine graph like this. Okay, maximum is 1, minimum is minus 1. This is y equal to sin x. But when you have suppose y is equal to modulus of sin x, then you get only in the first quadrant. You get a graph like this. 0, this is pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi and so on. Okay, now same logic, if I have suppose y is equal to, suppose if you have y is equal to sin 2x, okay, y is equal to sin 2x, multiples of pi it will be 0. This is sin 2x graph. So this means that sin 0 0, sin pi by 2, in place of x you put pi by 2, it will be 0. That is 2x should be equal to 0. 2x should be multiple of pi. That is, I should write 2x is equal to 0, this will be pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, and then you get 4 pi. So this means that x is equal to 0, this is pi upon 2, this is pi 3 pi upon 2, and then you get 2 pi. So this will be pi by 2, this will be equal to 3, this will be pi, this will be 3 pi by 2, and then you get 2 pi. For all these values, sin 2x will be 0. When you have modulus of sin 2x, alright, note this, you get only in the first quadrant. Alright, so you get 1, you get 2, 3, you get only in the first quadrant. Okay, so this is 4 and so on. So you get only in the first quadrant. This is modulus of sin 2x. So this will be pi by 2, this will be pi, this will be 3 pi by 2, this will be 2 pi. Okay, this is x, and then this should be equal to 2 pi. Maximum is 1. So modulus of sin x is equal to half, means exactly here, half of this. Okay, so half, you get a line here, so this is half. So how many points does it intersect? This will be 1, this will be 2, this is 3, this is 4, this will be 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. Okay, so number of solutions will be equal to 8. That's the answer, guys. Draw modulus of sin x graph, and sin x should be, mod of sin x should be equal to 1 upon 2, and find out there will be 8 points where it cuts. So number of distinct solutions will be 8 only. Right, let's move to the next question. Cos theta will be equal to sine of 90 minus theta, right? And sine theta will be equal to cos of 90 minus theta. So if I use this logic, okay, sine cos of 3 pi by 8, cos theta will be equal to sine of 90 minus theta. So this is sine of pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 8. Okay, so I'm going to take this LCM as 8. So this is pi by 8, sine pi by 8. Similarly, sine of 3 pi by 8 will be equal to cos of sine theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Again, this will be equal to cos of, take LCM 8. Alright, you get this as pi. Okay, so this question can be written as cos cube of pi upon 8. Okay, cos of 3 pi by 8 is sine of pi by 8. Plus this is sine cube of pi by 8. I'll keep as it is. Okay, and sine of 3 pi by 8 will be equal to cos pi by 8. Okay, so I'm going to take common. I'm going to take common cos pi by 8 and sine pi by 8. Okay, then left out is cos square pi by 8 plus sine square pi by 8. Cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1, right? So left out is sine pi by 8 and cos pi by 8. I'll multiply and divide by 2. So I'll divide by 2 and multiply by 2. 2 sine pi by 8. Okay, and then cos pi by 8. 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So this is sine 2 into pi by 8. Okay, so this becomes 1 upon 2. This is sine pi by 4. Okay, so 1 upon 2 sine 45 is 1 by root 2. You will get 1 divided by 2 root 2. That's the answer, guys. Answer is option C. Alright, let's move to the next question. See, x is equal to, if I put n equal to 0, 1 minus 1 power 0 is 1, tan power 0 is 1. If I put n equal to 1, you get minus tan square theta. Put n equal to 2, minus 1 the whole square is 1, you get tan to the power of 4 theta, and so on. This will be up to infinity. This is infinite GP. S infinity is equal to a divided by 1 minus r. Okay, so x is equal to, a is the first term, common ratio is minus tan square. So S infinity is a divided by, let me write a formula here as well. S infinity is equal to a divided by 1 minus r. It's an infinite GP. So first term is 1, common ratio is minus tan square, this will be plus tan square. 1 by tan is sec, 1 by tan square is sec square. So 1 by sec is cos. Okay, now y is equal to, if you put n equal to 0, cos per 0 is 1. Then you get this as cos square theta. Then you get cos to the power of 4 theta. Okay, and so on up to infinity. S infinity is equal to a divided by 1 minus r. Again, first term is 1, common ratio is cos square. Okay, and then from equation 1, cos square theta is equal to x. Okay, let me write here, this is from equation 1. If I cross multiply, you get y into 1 minus x is equal to 1. Answer is option C. So I'll stop here, guys. Please do watch, like and share my video. I'll come up with summer 2020 questions in my next session. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching.